Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this short video, I'm going to show you that how you can save drafts on your TikTok videos in your iPhone device. So the process is really simple and you just have to follow these quick and easy steps in order to fully understand that. How you can save drafts on your videos on TikTok in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just have to open your TikTok application. Click on this plus icon, click on Next, and from here, if you want to save this video to your drafts, you will see this button Drafts. But before that, let's open this More Options and make sure that you have enabled this Save to Device feature. Who can watch this video? Only me. And let's move this video to a draft folder. Click on Drafts, go to your profile. Open this draft folder and let's open this video. Click on Next. Go to your profile and here you can see this log option. Just click on it. Just open this video you just created. Click on these three dots and click on Save Video. So this was the method to save drafts in your gallery. And I really hope that you loved this video because if you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.